Stop blaming motivation. Stop blaming discipline. What if I told you your room, your desk, and your surroundings are silently controlling your success every single day? You don't fail because you're lazy. You fail because your environment is winning. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your space the same way again. Your brain isn't designed to think deeply all the time. It looks for signals. A messy desk tells your brain that nothing here really matters. A phone lying next to you tells your brain that distraction is always available. Your environment is constantly giving instructions to your mind, and your daily habits follow those instructions automatically. This isn't about mindset. This is psychology. People believe success comes from strong willpower, but willpower is limited. Your environment is not. If junk food is visible, you'll eventually eat it. If your phone is within reach, you'll check it. If your bed is too close to your workspace, focus slowly disappears. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your environment. Successful people understand something most people ignore. They don't depend on motivation, they design their surroundings. If you want to read more, place a book where your phone usually sits. If you want to focus better, remove distractions instead of fighting them. If you want consistency, make good habits easy and bad habits uncomfortable. Your environment should push you forward, especially on days when you feel tired and unmotivated. This is the silent advantage. Two people can have the same talent, the same intelligence, and the same dreams. One keeps waiting for motivation. The other builds structure. Motivation fades. Environment stays. Winners don't ask, how do I stay motivated? They ask, how do I make failure harder than success? Now look around you, your room, your desk, your phone. Ask yourself one honest question. Is this space helping me grow or training me to stay average? Change your environment and your habits will change automatically, because real success isn't loud. It's built quietly every single day.